Muslim boys' names with meanings and origin, starting with B. Bahir, meaning brilliant, origin Arabic. Baligh, meaning adult, origin Urdu. Bani, meaning inventor, origin Arabic. Bakir, meaning intelligent, origin Arabic. Basim, meaning to smile, origin Arabic. Baz, meaning hawk, origin Arabic. Babul, meaning God's door, origin Arabic. Bachar, meaning the one who gives happiness, origin Arabic. Bachra, meaning happiness, origin Arabic. Badi, meaning new thing, inventor, origin Persian. Badin, meaning thick, fat, origin Arabic. Badr, meaning full moon, origin Arabic. Badir, meaning shining, bright, origin Arabic. Badi, meaning founder, inventor, origin Arabic. Badraan, meaning the most beautiful, origin Urdu. Badruddin, meaning the full moon of faith, origin Arabic. Badshah, meaning king, origin Arabic. Baha, meaning shining, origin Arabic. Bahadur, meaning brave, origin Arabic. Bahajat, meaning charming, origin Arabic. Bahuddin, meaning glory of faith, origin Arabic. Bahuddin, meaning the whole moon of faith, origin Arabic. Bahbu, meaning happy, origin Arabic. Bahir, meaning exquisite, meaning origin Arabic. Bahira, meaning exquisite, excellent, origin Arabic. Behgat, meaning happiness, relaxation, origin Arabic. Bahas, meaning researcher, proficient, origin Arabic. Bhaaj, meaning beautiful, origin Arabic. Bahim, meaning clear, origin Arabic. Bahis, meaning seeker, origin Arabic. Bahiyat, meaning precious, origin Arabic. Bahjat, meaning happiness, origin Arabic. Bahlool, meaning leader, origin Arabic. Behr, meaning sea, origin Arabic. Baht, meaning pure, origin Arabic. Bahooj, meaning very pretty, origin Arabic. Bahzer, meaning great, origin Arabic. Baiaspan, meaning messenger, origin Persian. Badr, meaning cautious, moderate, origin Urdu. Beg, meaning Sardar, origin Turkish. Bahaas, meaning stable, origin Arabic. Behr, meaning greenish stone, origin Urdu. Baji, meaning being happy, origin Arabic. Bajul, meaning one who respects, origin Arabic. Baht, meaning faith, origin Arabic. Bakhsh, meaning section, the one who gives, origin Persian. Bakhtawar, meaning good fortune, origin Arabic. Bukhoor, meaning perfume, fragrance, origin Arabic. Bukhoor, meaning the first rain of spring, origin Arabic. Bakura, meaning dawn, origin Arabic. Bal, meaning heart, self, origin Arabic. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me. Please note that disclaimer: this video tutorial is only for knowledge sharing purposes. I cannot guarantee the accuracy of the meanings and pronunciation of names in this tutorial. Name can be spelled and pronounced differently. I would advise you to consult a local scholar for verification before deciding a name for your baby. Please like, share and subscribe. I will see you next time. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.
Like, share, subscribe. Ifactner.